Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your PlayStation 5 is stuck on a gray screen or it's frozen on Welcome Back to PlayStation on the startup. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So if you can't get past this screen on your PlayStation 5, try manually shutting it down. Now you can locate the power button and hold this down right here, and you will hear one beep, and then like 3 seconds later you will hear another beep. Now if this button doesn't work, simply turn your PlayStation 5 around and unplug it from the wall outlet, and then plug it back in about 1 to 2 minutes later. Then our PlayStation 5 will be completely turned off and there will be no light on the light bar here. And we're going to start it into the safe mode menu. So take a controller and plug it directly into the front of the PlayStation 5, just like this. Then locate the power button and hold this down. You will hear one beep. 5 seconds later, you will hear another beep. So here's the second beep. I'm going to let go. Now press the PlayStation button on the controller, and it should turn teal now, and you can operate the safe mode menu using the D-pad. Now there's 3 things under here I want you to go ahead and try. First, go on down to option number 5, clear cache and rebuild database, and try rebuilding the database on your PlayStation 5. Now it says it may take a few hours, but in my experience it only takes like 5 minutes. Then it will restart your PlayStation 5 and it should boot up like normal. Then also you can try going to clear system software cache right here. And this will be equivalent to turning off your PlayStation 5 and then unplugging it from the wall outlet for like 2 or 3 minutes. Then if this doesn't work, go to option number 3, update system software, then update using internet. Now it seems like this issue is related to just the operating system on the PlayStation 5. When you get like a gray screen and it doesn't bypass that screen, it's just a glitch in the operating system right now, and I'm sure there will be an update in the future to fix this. But go ahead and try one of these methods, and if this video did indeed help you out, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.